Lechenatics. This episode might be a bit different. Kasi for the first time, hindi lang tayo magbabakbakan, no? Partner.
Saka scientifical to.
Exactly.
Oo.
We're gonna get to somebody who actually knows her stuff, who could tell us about relationships, the traumas. Ang dami kong tanong, bakit natin binabalikan yung mga nananakit sa atin?
About trauma, papi?
Oo. At saka bakit tayo minsan nananakit? Hindi natin alam, nakakasakit na pala tayo sa mga partners natin. We don't even know why these things we do hurt other people. And we're gonna get scientific about it because we have a psychologist joining us on Lecheng Pag-ibig to for the first time.
For the first time.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Miss Maxine Heron. Should we call you Doc?
Doc Max? Doc
Ano ba dapat?
Mikey?
Okay, first I thank you for having me. Hello to our guests. And
Palakpakan!
Woohoo!
Second recording pala namin to with a live audience.
Oh, yeah.
Oo.
And I think you guys can always chime in kung disagree
Mm.
kayo. But you know, when we talk about therapy, people get intimidated. In fact, when I introduce myself and I say I'm a psychologist, they always say, "Oh, binabasa mo na ba ako?" You know
Ganun
what I mean?
ako.
There's always that stigma.
Ganun ako.
Exactly. Nung nakilala mo ako, binabasa mo ba ako, di
Oo,
ba?
kasi hindi ko alam pa tinitignan niya ako, ginajudge siya. Gago, hindi ka ba ganun? Pag psychologist, parang, tanga na, ginajudge ako nito.
Okay, that's a good
Oo,
question.
talaga?
Kasi, una, bilang psychologist, hindi na ako marunong mag-judge. Why? Kasi the moment you judge someone, you don't want to know them anymore. There is always an explanation sa lahat ng behaviors ng tao. How we sit, how we talk. Minsan nga,
Oh
paborito
my
kong
God,
gawin.
wait lang.
Okay, napashift
How
na
we
ako na
sit,
4 ko.
how we talk.
Yeah,
So wait
paborito-
lang, kanina nung nag-intro kami, binabasa mo na kami ni Papi.
Actually, oo. no.
So, wait lang, in a way, yung mga psychologists, para din talaga kayo manghuhula?
Pretty much.
Or
but it's,
pinag-aaralan nyo yun, kaya ang
Hindi
galing
eh.
nyo tumansya ng tao?
It's because lahat ng ginagawa ng
oh.
tao, paano sila magsalita, paano sila umupo, speaks about how they feel about themselves. So minsan, paborito kong ginagawa kumakain, kunyari sa labas, sa restaurant, umuhula ako ng, yan, 10 years na mag-asawa. Ito, first date. You know?
Magaling din ako dyan.
O yung kung
Hindi kasi
Actually, ganyan din kami.
Oh.
May nakita ako ng isang araw
Ah.
maghiwalay din yan.
Exactly. Hindi ganun.
Ay, sorry.
binabola ka lang yan.
May nakita ako, nakapasa ng ganyan. Maghiwalay din.
Hindi, tsaka may akbay 3 months, may akbay 6 months, may akbay 5 years.
Iba-iba
Yup,
yun.
iba-iba.
Yung akbay, mayroon pag
Pagka
tennis, di ba?
medyo matagal ng mag-asawa,
Wala
ano
na,
yan,
wala.
malayo na yung distance.
Malayo na, oo.
Pero pag mga ano pa yan, first few months ng dating, binubuhat pa yung bag ng babae.
Ay, nako, tsaka
Pwede
naalala ko
kita
yung kilig nung first few months, yung mag-touch
Iba.
lang pinky namin sa Our Father. Oh my God.
Dinamay mo pa yun.
Sa simbahan.
Napaghahalataan ka.
Nag-church eh, di ba?
Pero-
Tatabi mo yung crush mo sa church.
Pero it's interesting to know na kaya kayo ganyan. It's really part of what you have studied.
Yeah.
Ganun talaga siya. Kasama yung sa pinag-aaralan.
Yeah. At saka,
Behavior ng tao.
yes. Tsaka lahat ng psychologists, I believe, we are responsible to also look within us. Kasi, una, kami yung tools namin sa therapy eh. 'Di ba? Ibig sabihin, pag pumunta ka sa therapy, the client brings in, you know, their concerns. And ang goal namin is makuha yung puzzle pieces na yon para mag-make sense sa kanya. Right? And if may bias ako or may judgment ako, meron na akong gusto niyang gawin. You know what I mean? And that will remove his or her authority over her life.
Psychologists are not judgmental.
Mhm. We're supposed to be. We have trainings for it. We sign a contract about it. May ethical
Ay, contract to?
standards. Yeah.
What?
Kasi,
Bawal judgmental.
Bawal
May
judgmental.
kontrata na
Oh,
bawal
like,
judgmental.
what does the contract say?
so there's parang a list of parang characteristics of a psychologist that we have to really understand. Number one, for example, kunyari may client ako na, kunyari lang may kabit siya. Eh ako ayoko ng mga kabit. May personal bias na
Of
ako.
course, of course.
So my responsibility is to look at the client and go inside their world to understand bakit niya
siya
yun
nagkabit?
ginagawa. And eventually, you know, I believe as a psychologist, hindi dapat kami nagbibigay ng advice kasi the moment we do, we're taking away the person's ability to do it for themselves.
Sorry.
Hindi nagbibigay ng advice.
I'm so confused. So psychologists don't give advice.
Well, that is my standard. And
You
I
just
say
ask
this,
questions?
for example, hiwalayan ko na ba? Oh. Ang gagawin ko sa kanya is papakita ko, well, these are your options. Pwede mong gawin to, but remember, ito yung pattern mo, pwede ganito. Para at the end of the day, siya yung nag-decide sa sarili niya. So second is that, pag ako nagbigay ng advice sa kanya, babalikin sa akin, sabi mo sa akin.
Correct,
Oh.
correct. Makes
So
sense.
really, if you guys know, it's on Netflix, it's called Shrinking. There's lahat sila psychologists doon. So there was this one statement he said na, we cannot make decisions for the clients because we're taking away their life, yung buhay nila para sa kanila. So
Okay.
ang goal namin is i-reflect back with a non-judgmental statement so that at the end of it all, number one, may insight sila.
Mhm.
Kaya ako pala siya gusto.
Oo,
Naiintindihan nila yung sarili nila.
You help us realize kung ano talaga ang dapat namin gawin.
Yup.
May natin tanong bakit yung mga girls mahilig sa bad boys, di ba?
Yeah.
Pero mga tanong din,
Hindi, ako-
ganun.
actually,
May stage in
Papi,
life na kayo gusto
Ang
yung mga
unang
bad
gusto
boys.
kong malaman,
Oh,
kasi sabi niya, marunong siyang bumasa nung ano yung nararamdaman ng tao
huli ka.
based on actions,
Yeah.
based on how they speak. Pwede mo ba kaming basahin dalawa ngayon?
Ito si Sam, mo confident. Open.
Wow.
Everything open.
Sa pera pa lang talagang
Wow,
confident
God.
lang.
Hindi, no, you can see it.
Palakpakan.
Wow.
Nagpakape. May pa-draft coffee,
By the way,
guys.
Draft Coffee by Luz,
Oh.
ang tapang ng kape ko. Di ba naiinom ko, medyo gusto ko manapak.
Sinagot niya ang kape natin today. Confident.
Yeah, confident.
Oo.
Nervyoso ako ngayon.
So, ano po masasabi niyo kay Sam?
Yan, confident. You will see it. Usually, it's about, kunyari naglalakad yung tao, mapapansin nyo, di ba yung iba chest in, they're very protective. Kasi this is a sensitive part, our heart, no? So when we walk, tas ganito ng onte, we may crossing. That's why in therapy, we have to observe, behavior. Kasi, for example, lahat, yung body parts natin nagsasalita yan eh. So, kunyari nanginginig ako, kinakabahan ako. That
Bakit?
means
Kasi
you
it's
have
connected to your brain, like how you feel.
everything. It speaks for you. Pansinin mo to, may mga tao, pag may
Okay.
sinasabi silang masakit, mabigat, tumatawa sila. Iniwan nga niya ako, diba? Tapos tumatawa sila. Bakit? Kasi when they recognize the pain, it's too painful. They have to lighten it.
Pinablock nila.
Yeah.
Oo.
Connected ba to pag lumalandi kayo parang, uy, miss you na.
Ibang block yun.
Hindi kasi maglulol. Parang hindi.
Oo.
Minsan maghehe ka. Parang yung safety net mo eh.
Mm.
Yeah.
Lalagay ka ng hahaha. Tsaka yung mga emoji na. Para at least
Yeah.
pag hindi siya nag-reply, uy, joke,
Joke
lang
lang,
yun ah.
exactly. Those are defense
Style ko yun eh.
mechanisms. So that they, at the end of the day, they are not responsible for it. That's why ito na lang isa sa mga markers is ng avoidance. Pag sabing avoidance, medyo ayaw na nila magmahal. May trauma yun, nasaktan sila. So medyo protective na sila sa sarili nila. So may mga tao din naman na very open, vulnerable, kasi they're willing to trust. So you'll see that with, yung mga audience natin.
Ang
bigla-
dami
Bigla-
kong tanong.
Teka,
Oh
sorry,
my God. Yung
wait
list,
lang.
yung list lang. Ito, mananap pa ka na mo. Kasapakin. Mananap pa ka na naman eh.
Kasi sabi niya, yung upo mo pa lang,
Confident ang
ka eh.
open nyo, di ba?
Eh, lahat kami kanina nakaganito.
Teka,
Si
teka.
Papi lang ang nakaganon eh.
Okay.
sabi niya.
So lahat nung sinabi mo yun, lahat instantly
Oo, parang
umayos yung
open.
position eh.
Yeah.
I have a list of
Wow.
maybe
Questions din.
50 questions. I don't even know
Yeah.
where to start.
So meron tayong 5 episodes for
Oh.
the day. Oo, just for this episode.
But
Mauna ka na, Papi, go.
First, let's start with the stigma na seeing a psychologist, ibig sabihin, there's something wrong with you.
Mhm.
How is it right now in the Philippines? Is it still like that? Is it still improving? How does one even, because we had this episode before, me and Chacha, she was going through something,
Mm.
which I was able to resonate to as well. Especially sa industriya namin na we're out there entertaining people, we have to make people happy.
Mhm.
And then there are days you wake up,
Mhm.
Jazz, I'm sure you also know this, you wake up na parang you feel lost.
Mhm.
Parang you've given so much of your energy
Mhm.
and you just want to take a break from everything.
Mhm.
And you don't know why you're doing what you're doing.
Mhm.
Not to say we don't love what we do. We love what we do, but maybe it's a burnout or whatever you call it.
Mm.
So is it a sign I should see a psychologist? When should you see a psychologist?
Ganda.
Good question.
Okay. Una, I'm happy that nowadays we do talk about mental health. There was a time in our lives like pag kumita ka ng psychologist, may kurung-kurung ka, diba?
Correct.
There is still a stigma. That's why, going back to the question, I don't like being called doc. Only because pupunta ka talaga sa doctor pag may something wrong, right? However, ang lagi ko sinasabi nga is, do you only go to your annual physical exam kasi may mali na? No.
Hindi tama, hindi pala yun.
Pero,
you do
Doc
want-
Mikey, dito sa Pilipinas, yes.
Alam natin.
Pag may nararamdaman na, saka pupunta sa doktor.
That's exactly why I know
Kasi
the
healthcare
stigma is
naman
still
tayo.
here.
Pero with mental health, hindi rin dapat ganun.
Yes.
Oo, bago ka pa magka-problema, dapat meron ding annual check-up.
You know, something I learned is that how a person speaks about mental health reflects how their mental health is. If they're open to talk about it, if they're open to, basta lagi nyong tatandaan na ano yung nilalabas ng tao is a reflection of them.
Yes.
So if they don't like it, they resist it, it means that they don't want to admit it to themselves. So bilang addiction specialist, isa sa mga nakamita ba kayo sa mga
addiction specialist.
nakamita kayo ng mga AA, di ba? Yung sa mga alcoholic na nagre-recover.
Yes.
Ang unang step is, hi, my name is Mikey, I'm an alcoholic.
Correct.
Bakit?
Acknowledging.
May admission eh. And when you admit it and you acknowledge it, it loses its power. Hindi mo na siya kinakahiya. Wala na siyang shame.
So, pwedeng, hi, I'm Chacha, I'm a playgirl, ganon?
Pwede.
Yung ibang
wow.
playboy,
Oh,
playboy.
wow.
Hindi, kasi yung iba, yung mga manloloko, pwedeng ganon ang admission din. Dapat.
Admission.
Okay.
And
Parang malinaw,
At
di
saka,
ba?
di ba, sobrang hirap umamin ng mga bigat. And that's why in therapy, it's so
Meron ka ba
powerful.
gustong aminin na
No,
bigat
no,
today?
I just want to know, like, when is there should be a sign? Is there a
dapat
sign
na.
okay, Sam, teka, medyo mag-psychologist ka, medyo
Oo
malala
nga,
na.
oo.
Should I
How do you
evaluate
know?
myself?
Oo.
Correct. Well,
Should
I
just
will
go?
just say this. There is no standard where you should see a psychologist. However, I think the fact that you're thinking about it, you should. Kasi there's nothing to lose there. You know,
Okay,
ang
okay.
sinasabi ko nga is when I meet my clients and they come to me, what you put in the session is what you will also take. Diba? Kung gaano ka ka-honest, kung gaano ka ka-willing, mas magiging malaki yung growth mo. In fact, sinasabi ko nga sa kanila, sayang bayad nyo kung hindi kayo magiging
Correct.
honest. So,
Correct.
and again, we as psychologists and professionals, we are legally obliged to make sure that it's confidential. And that is very therapeutic. To know that someone is there to guide you and not judge you.
Yeah.
Yung balik niya sa'yo, iba eh.
Oo.
Minsan sasabihin nga ng clients ko like, alam mo, nabubwisit ako sa ganito. So, nabubwisit ka. Actually, yung may, habang naririnig nila yung sarili nila, parang, oh nga no, yun yung kailangan. In therapy, what we want is insight. Ibig sabihin, you have to be willing to dig deep inside of you. Right? Kasi if you're going there just for validation, I'll tell you, you're wasting your money. You are. Because you're only getting what you want to hear. But the growth will
Not what
never
you
happen if you're comfortable.
Uh-huh.
Teka, so if I go, does that automatically mean I have to go regularly? Or
No. So the thing with therapy, yun na nga, isa pa yan sa mga nakikita kong hurdles natin sa Pilipinas. We think of therapy as like, upo ka sa chair, formal.
Yung mga
Oo,
napapanood.
2 hours magtititigan kayo,
Oo,
diba?
Tapos
Parang may
every week
interview.
Yo,
magkikita
nasulat ka
kayo.
naman ako, no, ganun.
Which, again, babalik ako dun sa approach ko sa therapy. Hindi ako ganun.
It's not like
Kasi
that.
tandaan natin na ang therapy, successful lang yan pag okay kayo. Di ba? Kahit gaano katalino yung person, gaano katalino yung professional, kung ramdam mong robot siya, di mo rin siya gusto kausap. So, ang lagi kong pinaparamdam sa therapy is para akong professional na friend. Ganon. We follow evidence-based, but I'm here because first, I'm a human. You know? And this is something I always nga parang share. I used to work in the prison. It's San Quentin Prison. I don't know if you've heard of that.
In the US.
In the US. Pansinin mo sa amin, Chacha, parang punishment pag may ginawang masama ang tao, crime, may, illegal, punishment, ikulong sila.
Correct.
Ibig sabihin, isolated. Right? It's considered punishment to be on your own. And a lot of us, we have our own mental prison. Right?
Ito na, na-open na
Diba?
naman yung can of worms natin.
Huminga ng malalim.
Baka umiyak ako.
Sabay-sabay kami ng mental prison.
Baka umiyak ako sa
Oo, yun
episode
na nga
na to,
eh.
yung mental
But you get
prison
what
ko.
I'm saying na a
Yeah,
lot of
yeah,
us sabihin
yeah,
natin, ayoko na pabagitin sa asawa ko,
Oo,
ayoko na sabihin. But that's torture.
Oo.
That's punishment. Kasi pag nakakulong ka, and I work there, that's punishment. When you have no one you can talk to and you're talking to yourself. So
Shit.
you have your own
Oh my
reality.
God, this is so true.
Pero at least maswerte pa rin mga prisoners doon, May psychology sila.
Yeah.
Dito ba sa Pilipinas mayroon?
I-
Wala lang, bigla lang ako napaisip.
Correct,
That's a
correct.
good question.
That's why I
dito.
moved here. Kasi unang-una, did you know that there is no forensic psychology degree here? Like,
Sorry, what is forensic psychology?
forensic psychology, parang may anak si mental health at saka si legal system.
Okay.
So, law and mental health combined. So, we deal with, minsan kasi yung mga behaviors ng tao, kaya sila pumapatay or may ginagawa, is really because of how their mental health is. So, the goal is to treat them not as criminals, but why they do those behaviors.
And it's successful in the US.
Yeah.
Here, wala tayo nun.
Wala, kailangan kasi preventive. You know what I mean? Like, ginagawa kasi natin ngayon, action, after na lang. Pero sa totoo lang, ito, quote me on this, sure, But a lot of people who commit crimes and do crazy things are babies stuck in adult bodies.
I was gonna touch on that. Childhood trauma.
Mhm.
No. I'm sure I have mine. Does everybody have childhood trauma? Like sa akin kasi, my wife is very good at this, no? She's the type when nag-aaway kami, ako yung type na tatahimik. We
Mm.
talked about it. Siya yung type na gusto niya i-process what went wrong.
Gusto niya
Bakit tayo
pag-usapan.
nag-aaway?
Mhm.
Oo.
At kailangan mo maintindihan
Yeah.
anong maling ginawa mo.
Oo.
Bakit, not maling ginawa mo, bakit ako
Anong
nasaktan?
ginawa mo?
Yeah.
Ba't ako
Oo.
nasaktan sa ginawa mo?
Oo.
Sa akin kasi parang there could be 2 or 3 days we don't talk to each other. Tampuhan.
Same.
Tapos parang syempre we do our thing, whatever.
Yeah.
Okay, hi, hello, tulog.
Parang normal. Tapos biglang magiging okay na.
Correct. Tapos on the 4th day or 5th day, we'll start talking maybe over dinner na, are we gonna, tapos ganun siya lagi. That's how she opens the
Correct.
conversation. Are we gonna talk about this or gusto mo ilang araw tayong ganito?
Mm.
So you wanna know why you're like that?
And I wanna know,
Mhm.
I'm also trying to figure out, bakit ako ganun? Bakit hindi ako confrontational na tao?
Mm.
Was it because maybe my parents split up and it was traumatic for me as a child na parang pag nakakita akong conflict or I feel conflict, baka ayoko na
Ayaw
siyang
mo na
pag-usapan kasi
Yeah.
parang shit,
Mhm.
takot ako dyan. Huwag na natin
Oo, oo,
pag-usapan.
That's a very classic behavior though in relationships. Somebody shuts down and
yes,
somebody
ako si shutdown.
chases.
Ako
Yeah.
si shutdown.
So I call that the pursuer avoidant cycle. Mamaya pag-usapan ko. But
Pursuer avoidant cycle.
Yeah.
Paano pag pareho kayong avoidant?
ayun na nga,
Patay,
ibig
patay.
Oh, may
sabihin.
ganun din, di ba?
Yeah, meron. But
Oo.
this is a classic pursuant avoidant
Oo.
cycle. Sagutin ko lang yung trauma. Kasi trauma is subjective.
Okay.
Something traumatic for me may not be traumatic for
Correct.
some.
Correct.
True.
But to answer your question about does everyone have them? Of course, everyone has, certain difficulties growing up. However, kung paano ko kasi siya pinipicture, di ba, anong Tagalog ng home?
Bahay.
Tahanan.
Tahanan.
Oo.
Ganda, no? Hindi, sa salita pa lang,
Oo.
tahanan.
Tahanan.
Mga babae talaga tama. Mali na naman kami.
Correct. Sabi mo, bahay.
Oo.
Confident
Pero
pa ako
diba,
talaga na yun, ha?
Yeah.
Siya naman po i-bash nyo this episode.
Sige, go.
Bye.
Go.
So kung
Okay.
titignan mo yung salitang tahanan, napakaganda kasi doon ka dapat uuwi, tumahan.
Yeah, tahanan.
Ibig sabihin, medyo expected sa buhay na magulo sa mundo. Pero paano kung
Home
yung
base mo
tahanan
to.
mo, yung magulo?
Shit.
Yeah.
Wow.
Saan ka tumatahan?
Galing, ganda.
So, ako, I always look at it as we develop certain personas. So,
Mhm.
merong true self, tsaka false self.
oh yeah.
Okay.
True.
So, yung true self, nagde-develop siya kapag kaya mong magpakita ng totoo mong emotions kasi tinatanggap. Ulitin ko, kunyari, sa family parang, ba't ka umiyak? Weak ka.
Hmm.
Matututunan mo na magmamask ako, which is now the false self. Weak kasi pag umiiyak.
Hmm.
So then, you're developing a false self, which is a mask.
Mhm.
Kaya yung, di ba, as TV hosts and personalities, you do develop masks.
Yes.
You need to.
Especially
But
kapag
this
may
is
show.
my
Oo.
reminder. Remember to take the mask off.
Yun na. Ganda.
Woo!
Sobrang ganda. Yeah.
And you have to take the mask off. And again, babalikan ko lang, ang tahanan, hindi siya yung structure of the house.
Oo, ano itsura ng bahay.
It's a person.
Yeah,
be a safe
it's
space.
it's like, yeah.
It's a
exactly.
person.
Yung pag-uwi mo, mararamdaman mo you're safe.
You can take the mask
Oo,
off.
yeah.
Oh, and it's not
Kaya
just for
Sam,
entertainers. Maybe.
home mo si Esa.
Oo.
Oh.
Alam
Ibig
ko naman.
sabihin, if you have certain feelings, you run to her.
Yeah. Sometimes it's not a place eh.
Yeah.
It's a person.
Kaya kung sasagutin ko kung ba't ka nag-a-avoid. So ganito, okay, my personal advice, pag may conflict, huwag kayong mag-usap ng pitik na kayo. Kasi yung first few minutes ng conversation, nagde-determine yan kung paano mag-end. O ngayon, late ka na naman mo eh. Alam ko na yung ending yan.
Uy.
Kaya
Right?
shutdown na
Pero-
Ako na naman ang natira dito.
Siyempre, oo. Para namang
Oo.
totoo.
Oo.
Parang na-text ka ni
So,
Esa.
pag una kong natutunan is mag-check-in muna kayo sa isa't isa. Okay ka ba makipag-usap ngayon? Tapos sasabihin niya, mabigat, mamaya na.
Pero, Doc-
Yon, you save it already.
Dok, di ba sabi, wag daw matutulog ng, di ba? Yan
Yes,
ang
but-
advice pag mag-asawa.
Ay,
Wag daw
bullshit yun, sorry.
tutulugan yung problema.
I would say na
I mean, gaano katagal
Tama
yung
ko, 2
okay.
weeks na ako hindi natutulog. Kung matutulog
Kasi-
na nag-aaway kayo, tanga, 2
Wait,
weeks akong
wait.
gising.
I also have to agree with Sam. Pag matagal na kayo mag-asawa, minsan may mga away kayo, kapagod. 3 or 4 days di kayo mag-uusap. Tapos
Paulit-ulit,
biglang okay na
paulit-ulit.
lang
Ang
ha.
problema
At
kasi,
may ano ba yun? May araw na dapat wag niyong palagpasin ng ganito kahaba.
Tuesday.
Baka, no. like what I mean is, baka masanay kayo na hindi na siya
That is very
pinag-uusapan,
true.
tapos sobrang
Yes.
haba nyo lagi.
That is very
Right.
true.
Right?
Point.
Nasasanay kayo na di kayo nag-uusap.
Kasi walang
Eventually,
gusto mag-
naiipon na lang na naiipon yung problema.
Yeah. Kasi ang nakikita kong problem dyan is meron tayong definition ng okay. Pero ang okay, tandaan natin, magkaiba yung forgiveness sa trust. Pwede mo siya patawarin today, pero pwede pa kayong hindi pa nagtatrust. Right? So pwede kayong umuwi, matulog sa isang kama nang hindi kayo, pero yung mahal pa rin kita, pero busit ako sa'yo ngayon. Pwede yon.
Gano'ng katagal?
It really depends on the gaano ka-agitated yung person.
Tsaka yung every away ganun, okay lang ba yun? Healthy pa ba yun?
Okay, so eto na.
Oh, yung mga tanong, hugot naman
Hindi,
yan.
kaya-
Ay,
Relax. Parang, kape ka muna.
Inumin ako ng draft coffee ko, ha?
Okay, when we hear the word conflict, ang negative, no? Away.
Yeah.
But we forget that conflict is actually an opportunity to reconnect. Nagko-conflict talaga lahat ng tao. In fact, hindi mo totoong kaibigan ng kaibigan na yan kung hindi kayo nag-aaway kasi fake kayo.
May mga sinasabing ang gano'n.
Yes.
True.
Ibig sabihin, we have to learn the skills of learning how to conflict. And this is, yun yung mga steps na tinuturo ko. One, pag agitated kayo pareho, pag pitik kayo, wag muna kayo mag-engage. Kasi hindi
Pero
kayo
minsan-
willing to listen eh.
Minsan yun yung, yun yung, yan, pag nag-aaway, let's say, late ako
True,
umuwi.
true.
O yan,
Yeah.
kunyari lang ha.
Eh, mainit na rin ulo mo, sasagot ka.
Oo, 2 a.m. na
Oo.
rin. Siyempre, sasagot na rin ako.
Ang
How
thing
do you
doon,
avoid something like that?
bigayan. Kumbaga bigayan, make space muna ako sa'yo ngayon, hold space ako.
Eh, di syempre mapapagod yung isa kung laging siya yung nagbibigay.
That is why papasok siya pag tama na yung timing. Pag kalmado na, hindi ako okay sa ginawa mo kanina. May capacity na siya eh. Hindi talaga mag-work yung parehong sabog tapos wala.
So what we're getting now is okay lang hindi nag-uusap mga 3 to 4 days as long as alam nyo like in mind na
May
matutulog tayo
assurance.
together, buwisit ako sa'yo, pero mahal kita.
May
Ganon,
assurance.
you have to remind
Also,
yourself
balikan natin si
buwisit ako
pursuer.
sa'yo pero
Oh.
love kita, tas
Oh.
natulog
Okay
ka na.
yun.
Ganon.
Kasi ganito,
Gusto ko yun.
gamitin
Gusto ko
natin yung...
yun.
Diba? Kasi usually kasi,
Tutulugan.
hindi,
Mahal
usually
kita.
kasi mag-asawa pag natutulog, talikuran rin talaga silang
tama,
ganyan.
tama naman.
Pero nasa
Correct.
isang kama tayo.
Realistically,
Pero
yeah.
buwisit tayo.
Pero,
Gigising tayo na parang nasa isang bahay tayo.
Tama.
Magkakapi tayo.
Correct.
Pero di tayo mag-uusap.
Oo, walang usap. Back to work. Bahala
Yes,
ka.
okay lang
pero
ba yun?
dadagdagan ko yan. Pwede kayong hindi mag-usap, pero mag-connect kayo in different ways. Hold each other's hand.
Nang galit?
Oo. Hindi kayo pwede. Kasi
Nung
ganito
paano
yun.
yun?
This is
Paano
the
hindi ko
problem.
magawa yun?
Okay, bibigyan ko kayo ng
Tsaka pag siguro attempt ko gawin yung si Esa, parang ginagawa mo?
minamahal ka.
Oh! Boys, kayo na gumawa. Please,
Diba?
hindi namin gagawin eh.
Ito kasi yun, ganito yan.
Ay,
Parang,
nako.
So, ang ganda na
Ano
nung
ginagawa
tinuro mo.
mo?
Hindi
Minamahal lang
nag-uusap.
kita.
So,
Pero hawakan yung
someone
kamay.
should start, you hold the hand.
maghawakan pa rin kayong
May
kamay.
mag-iinarte yung
Kasi
babae
this
usually.
is-
Ano
this
yan?
is the
Anong
problem.
ginagawa mo?
Ay,
Ang
tapos,
isasagot,
tanggapin niya, mahal kita eh. Hindi ko naman pinipilit na patawarin mo ko, no? Mahal kita eh. Kasi may, guys, co-regulation ng lahat ng relationship.
grabe, ang hirap ng pinapagawa mo, Dok Mikey.
Pero kaya nga, relationship is work.
Mahirap siya.
Yan
Mahirap
yung
siya.
work.
Isipin mo
Imagine ko lang.
Hindi, buisit ka eh. Gusto mo nga buhusan ng kape, tapos i-holding hands mo,
Tapos
be.
yun nga si...
Diba?
may nerve, the nerve. The
I
nerve.
know.
Mag-holding hands ka ngayon.
Tapos
Sa
ang
lahat ng
gagawin
ginawa
mo,
mo?
dahil triggered ka, hinga ka malalim. Yeah, kasi mahal kita eh. Okay lang magalit ka, pero mahal kita. Ang nangyayari kasi doon, eto yun we forget that the problem is something we have to face together. Ang problem is nagiging problem niya isa't isa. So kunyari, pasok ka sa bahay, ang dumi ng kusina, ang tamad mo kasi. So nakita mo yung problema yung kusina, pero yung atake sa tao. So pwedeng
Siya kasi nagdumi sa kusina. Dok, eh.
so pwedeng pag-usap.
Hoy.
Diba?
So, ang
Pero
sisisihin na naming mga babae, yung damit mo nasa lapag, galit kami sa damit, hindi
May
sa
hamper.
asawa.
Yung hamper, malapit na yung
Katabi
hamper.
lang nung, katabi.
Pwede.
Paano atake doon dapat?
So una, remember, pag medyo agitated ka,
Oo.
kailangan mo talaga, ikaw yung responsible dito.
Okay.
Ang ginagawa kasi natin is, ayusin mo ko.
Mm.
Parang hindi ako magalit, ayusin mo yan.
Yes,
Mali.
Mm.
Kailangan tayo eh. Kasi tayo yung nakakaramdam ng pitik eh. So pag galit ako, pwede yung wait lang. Huwag mo ko kausapin. Medyo mainit ulo ko. Tapos pag bumalik kasi tandaan nyo, walang fruitful na lumalabas out of galit. Nothing ever comes out of anger na maganda. So pag galit ka, di ba lang, yun nga, may mga clients ako sabihin, I have anger issues. And I always go back na, wait lang, anger to eh. Pero may emotion sa ilalim ng anger. It's never just anger. You feel violated, disrespected, and those things will accumulate. So yun yung kailangan i-address. Kasi galit is a shield eh. power yan eh. Kasi powerful yung feeling pag galit ka, diba? Pero hindi mo maamin sa kanya, alam mo, nasasaktan ako pag 1 AM ka na umuwi eh. Hirap aminin nun kasi nga, violated siya. So my advice usually is regulate yourself first and then engage.
Both yan, for both
For
partners. Mhm.
And regulation has a lot to do with assurance. So kunyari, si Sam, hindi pa siya ready makipag-usap. Acknowledge mo muna si Esa na parang, I can see you're angry. And paano ba yung itsura ng acknowledgement? Name mo lang yung emotions nila. In fact, tinuturo ko to sa mga husbands ulitin nyo lang yung sinasabi nila. Late ka na naman umuwi. Oo nga, late nga ako umuwi. Oo, tapos ganito. Nakikita ko nga galit ka. That's listening.
Ako yung mali
Wait lang,
ko.
nakaka-bad trip yun ha. Kung nga yun ang sinagot sa akin, parang,
Hindi ako.
di ba mababad trip ka
No,
Ito.
ang nangyayari doon,
Oo.
na-acknowledge ka na, oo, nakikita niyang galit ako. Try mo, mamaya.
Sige nga.
Uulitin
Ginawa
mo.
yung asawa pag
Balita mo na rin ako ano nangyari.
Tapos si Sam
Pa-
naging
pa-
parot.
pa-update-
Inulit na lang lahat.
Pa-update na rin ako ano mangyari. Hindi, sa
Yan
akin,
ang
like,
tinuturo mo sa husbands. Why yan for the husbands? Kasi you feel
Kasi-
like mas kaya talaga nila.
Ang mga babae kasi,
Mag-soften
eto
up.
ha, babae at
Oo.
lalaki, magkaiba kasi yung brain structure niyan eh.
Amen.
Ang mga lalaki kasi very facts-based. Ano ba problema? Yung mga
Nag-sorry
babae,
na ako eh.
oh, yung mga
Nagkulang
babae,
pa ba yun?
I feel like you don't love me. Ha? Binilan kita. Yon, doon may away na agad. Kasi, hindi na-acknowledge yung feelings. Ito, sinosolve agad. So, yung sinasabi ko sa mga lalaki, acknowledge mo na yung feelings. Kasi, ang taong pitik, naka-turn off yung logical system.
Correct.
Nothing will
Galit-
make
yung
sense.
galit yung nagte-take over.
Kahit anong logic bigay mo, facts, hindi siya makikinig kasi galit siya eh.
Kumbaga pag may sinabi sa inyo yung babae, wag kayong
Wag niyo muna
mag-rebut, wag kayong
solusyonan.
mag-abogado.
Oo.
Na
Kasi
parang,
lalo
usually,
silang
Defend mo rin kayo
usually
sarili mo.
kasi pag sinabing late ka umuwi, kasi may sagot agad.
May sagot.
Battle sila agad.
Tapos
nalipat
never nila
kayo eh.
responsibility.
Sabihin ko, oo,
Yun
late
na
nga, late nga,
yun
oo.
na nga daw ang sasabihin mo. Oo nga, late
Baka
ako
galit na
umuwi
sa
eh.
mukha ko. Oo nga, late nga.
Hindi
What do you want me to do?
Depende rin sa pagsabi.
What do you want me to do?
Yeah.
I-acknowledge mo lang.
Acknowledge.
Oo, late
At
ako
saka
umuwi.
yung natitrigger kasi yung mga babae, kahit nandyan ka, tas tahimik ka, na-abandon sila.
Oo, minsan humihinga lang ako, nagagalit na siya eh.
Oo.
Tapos hindi na ako humihinga, 2 days, ganun.
Diba? Oo. Ano yun? A lot of it is, pababain mo muna siya.
So kung ang lalaki, ganun tinuturo mo, mimimic lang yung sinasabi ng girl. Sa wife, anong tinuturo mo?
Sa wife, ang sinasabi ko is, lagi niyong sasabihin, ano ba kailangan mo? Kasi minsan pinapahula yung guys eh.
Sorry, ano ba kailangan mo?
Yeah, you tell them what you need. Do you need space? Do you need a hug? Do you need them to assure you? What do you want? Di ba may notebook nga na meme, what do you want? Kasi ang problema sa babae, eto ha, pupush. Ganyan ka kasi, tas ang gusto nila yung habol. Yes. Si Chacha na talo. Pero
Yeah.
totoo yun. Gusto nila yung parang emotional
tanga talaga to
intensity
minsan.
na
Yes.
paglaban mo ko.
Hindi lang ako ganun. Di ba gusto,
Lahat.
I mean like, bakit ganun yung attitude natin mga
Kasi
babae? Gusto
meron-
natin magpabebe.
Oh.
Kasi yung pagpapabebe, may nakukuhang behavior sa lalaki na humahabol. And habol is assurance as love pa niya ako.
Gusto lang natin ng assurance.
Yeah.
Ay, that's parang, sa babae ganun talaga.
Yes.
Anong gusto ng lalaki?
Ang mga lalaki gusto nila sa totoo respeto.
Okay, yeah.
Sorry
True.
but that's
Agree,
true.
Totally agree.
Na parang you can be emotional but respect pa rin.
Mhm.
So,
Nandiyan na po si Esa tsaka
Nandiyan
si
na,
Maya.
ayan na po. ayan
Pauupuin na po namin sa
Nag-doorbell
episode
na
na
po
ito.
sila.
Nandito na po
Sagot
yung
na.
mga asawa namin.
Gusto ko yung rapa-ka-rod, diba? Ano, nag-doorbell po.
Oo. Narinig
Okay.
niya.
So, assurance ang kailangan ng babae and then for the guys, respect.
Yeah. Kasi ang mga lalaki, again, hindi naman ako lalaki, but based on what I know, hindi nila kayang mahulaan all the time kung ano yon. Pero pag nasasaktan na sila sa emotions, may walls din yan.
Kaya tumatahimik.
Oo.
Kaya madalas silang tumatahimik.
At saka hindi na sila naaraw sa bed.
It affects
Yeah.
it.
Uy, wait, baliktad. Para mas yung, hindi ba yung babae yung...
Hindi na sila naaaraw sa bed kasi yung person kasama, hindi sila na-respect. You get what I'm saying? Like,
okay, yeah.
how they feel. Kasi
So,
sex is vulnerability.
Oh, yeah. So,
Diba?
kapag yung mga may problem sa sex life, most probably, pag hindi na yung
Marami
lalaki,
ng-
wala nang gana masyado sa bed, it's because hindi
Marami
niya
ng
feel na respected siya.
Yes.
Sa babae.
Interesting.
Pag
Sa mga babae,
Oo.
they need to feel emotionally safe.
Secured.
Secure.
emotionally
Kasi
safe.
ang sex is very, measure of vulnerability.
Yeah.
Kaya hindi ako naniniwala sa love language. Although those things are,
Oh.
okay, don't get me wrong, love languages are good way of understanding showing love,
Uh-huh.
but it should never be like, but my love language is gifts. Yeah, but I can give you all the gifts, but how do you know assurance in your brain that I love you? That's why sex measures all of them. There's physical touch,
Mm.
there's time, there's words,
Mhm.
Kinover niya na lahat.
My gift of orgasm.
Kaya napaka-importante
Yes.
niya. Like, how important is it sa relationship?
Ako personally, like when I talk to, different lengths ng relationship ng couples, the first question is, how's your intimacy?
Ay, yun ang unang tanong.
Yeah.
Ano
because-
po ba dapat ang normal?
Oo.
Should it be like
Is
every
there
day,
a
every 2 days,
frequency?
thrice a week?
That's a good
Dapat
question.
ba sinaschedule ito?
Oo.
I think it's a matter of both people need to be satisfied. And that is very subjective.
Yeah.
Yes.
Kahit
Hindi-
twice a week lang, no? Pero
Pero
satisfied ka
quantity.
naman. Oo.
Yeah.
Over quality.
Quality.
Quality. Baliktad
Ay,
eh.
quality. Sorry, over quality.
Kaya
Oo.
babalikan ko dito sa topic na to, mahirap talaga yung, especially mga situationship, tapos sex dito. No judgments there. However, ang nangyayari kasi psychologically, di ba pag nakipag-sex ka, bare, naked.
Mhm.
And so when nothing happens after that, psychologically you think, pinakita ko lahat ng
Worthless ka,
meron ako,
ganon.
tapos hindi niya ako kaya panindigan. Medyo damaging yun.
Oh.
Oo.
But there are people who are good with like the
Yeah.
FUBU situation, one night stands.
Of course.
How will you
But for
explain that?
people that I've seen kasi na na-attach after nun, medyo
Mm.
damaging siya.
Mm.
So kailangan pag-usapan na, ano lang to,
At least merong,
appear lang to.
kasi
ganun.
any relationship is an agreement.
Mm.
Kaya nga sineselebrate natin, di ba, from MU,
Hindi, parang
nagiging
good game,
magjowa.
ganun. Good game.
Good
Ganun,
game.
So pagkatapos,
Three
nice
points.
game ha, appear. Okay, sige.
Tapos kung hina-5 ka rin, wala problema.
Okay na
di ba?
yun.
Oo.
Pero dapat ba itong mga to pinag-uusapan bago,
Always.
diba, "Oy, by the way, I'm not looking for a relationship.
Dapat.
Dapat.
naman.
Sports lang sa akin to. Ganun.
Sports.
Para intrams.
Ginawa
Intrams
niyo
lang sa akin to.
basketball eh.
Sports
Oo,
fest lang.
oo, oo.
Diba, papi?
We're learning a lot dito kay
Ay, yeah, I'm so-
Mikey. Kay Doc Mikey.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Should we
Kasi
call you Do? What are your
Maxine is my...
Maxine, no? Maxine.
Maxine,
Para safe.
Maxine. oo.
Okay. I'm the type. Ginamit
Oo,
ako.
dali na.
I'm
Mamaya,
the type.
pwede kayong magtanong
Ah.
guys ha.
Yeah.
Oo.
I'm the type na I don't know what's wrong with me, but kasi nag-sorry na ako,
Mm.
'di ba? Tapos the next day, sige, umaga, nag-sorry ulit ako. Obviously, si
Masorry ka.
Esa, hindi pa siya okay at that time.
Mm.
Masorry ka talagang tao.
Oh, I'd say sorry. And then, mapipiko na rin ako.
Mm.
Kasi,
Nakailang sorry
oo,
na.
mismo. Yung parang,
Ano pang gusto mong gawin ko?
Exactly. Nag-sorry
Oo.
na ako ng mga 5-10 times. Tapos, galit ka pa rin sa akin. So, then a few days go by,
Mhm.
and then we talk about it, and then, sa akin parang, okay, what else do you want me to do?
Mm.
Nag-sorry na ako.
Mhm.
How should I adjust na, okay, nag-sorry ka pa, hindi pa siya ready to
Okay.
trust again or what?
That's a very good question. Ang tawagin na lang natin yan na, di ba kanina may conflict? Lahat ng tao, ito yung nakulang, hindi marunong mag-repair. Repair is the essential part of a healthy relationship. Repair is not just saying sorry. Sorry is, meron siyang 3 parts. The first is that acknowledgement, anong ginawa?
Mhm.
The problem with us humans kasi, ito tayo, ito yung ginawa natin, tas fused. Kunyari,
Okay.
nag-cheat ka. Diba? Ito ka, nag-cheat ka, cheater ka.
Okay.
Yung ganitong fusion of the behavior and the person, that creates shame.
Okay.
Kaya kaya yung mga tao, hirap din mag-sorry. Kasi pag nag-sorry ako, manliliit ako.
Mhm.
But you're not saying sorry for who you are. You're saying sorry for what you did. And that gives you some sort of responsibility to say na this is what I did, and for this one, I'm sorry. You have to be specific about what you're saying
Yeah, not
sorry
just
for.
Parang para alam namin na sorry ka and alam mo
Ay,
ginawa
alam mo.
mo.
Specific.
Parang ganito. Parang,
Sorry, late ako umuwi.
yes. Or kaya, sorry, sinigawan kita.
Yeah.
I was wrong na sinigawan kita.
So,
And
Talagang
then,
hindi enough yung sorry lang. Kailangan specific.
Yes.
No? Oo.
kasi, ayun nga, di ba parang sorry ng sorry, dadating sa point na wala na siyang
Bakit?
meaning.
Oo.
Correct.
Oo,
And that-
yeah,
So the
yeah.
first
True,
part
true.
is
I
the
don't need your apology.
acknowledgement of the behavior. I'm sorry that I screamed at you. I'm
Mhm.
sorry I did this. Number 1, it removes the shame. 'Di ba? Parang ayoko rin nga yung ginawa ko. Sorry, 'di ba?
Okay.
Second is acknowledgement of what they feel. Kasi nasaktan nga kita.
Mhm.
So now there's the second part. Now the third part is what you're willing to change. Because saying sorry for something that you did means that I don't want to do that too. And you know what, moving forward, kapag napipiko na ako, I would need 5 seconds. Kaya ako sumigaw kasi natitrigger ako. So, ito yung behavior change. So ngayon, may parts. Meron ng expectation. And the person, siguro hindi pa siya okay, pero meron na siyang pinangahawakan, repair. Right?
Mhm.
Okay, I'm the type naman, nakabaliktaran ni Sam.
Mm.
Hindi ako nagsusorry.
May I know why?
I don't know, parang nasanay kasi ako na lagi siya nagsusorry. So parang inaantay ko na lang siya lagi. So like
Paano
for
pag
the
hindi siya
longest,
mag-sorry, what happens? What was the
Parang yun
longest
nga
time na you
eh.
guys
Actually,
went na hindi kayo
Eto,
nag-usap?
just recently, last week, nag-away kami. Parang
Ay, kami rin.
Ano meron last
pa, no?
week?
Ay, kami rin.
Normal naman ng conflicts.
Pero yun nga yung maganda pag matagal na kayo, no? Kahit magkaaway kayo, I mean like, alam mo na, okay lang to, maayos namin to.
Mhm.
Kaya lang for the longest time, lagi siya yung nagsusorry kahit kasalanan ko.
Mm.
Dahil nga nasanay ako na kahit kasalanan ko, alam ko na, sorry din yan eh. Pero gusto ko rin kasi matuto
Yeah.
na mag-sorry sa kanya. Hindi ko lang alam kung
Paano?
paano siya sisimulan and gaano siya ka-damaging sa relationship.
Yeah.
Ano.
Alam mo, ito yung weird part about saying sorry. Nakaka-grow siya. Ang sarap mag-sorry. Kasi you're not just making the other person feel good, you're making yourself feel good. Why? Because you're also turning away from something you don't want. And when you acknowledge it, you're growing. You're self-actualizing. You are saying to yourself na, ayoko nga rin yung part na yon. Kaya babalik ako dun sa tahanan, hindi ka mahirapan mag-sorry sa taong alam mong kailangan mong balikan at tahanan mo siya eh. Kasi ano ka sa kanya eh, naked ka sa kanya eh,
Yeah.
kilala mo siya eh. So if there's anything that may resistance to you saying sorry, yun yung sinasabi ko na reflect. What is it that you fear that would happen if nag-sorry ka? Diba? Baka hindi niya ako patawarin. Do you really think hindi
Or
ka
is it
niya
a pride
papatawarin?
issue?
Oh, yun nga
Yeah.
eh.
Yeah.
What if it's a pride issue?
Na parang alam mo kasi, at the end of the day, magsasorry rin siya sa
Oo
akin.
eh.
So
hintayin na
babalik
lang
ako
natin
dun
yun.
sa, hindi, tahanan mo siya. Kailangan hubad ka sa kanya. Walang pride. Kasi pride would really eat you up. Kasi kung hindi mo kaya aminin sa tao na tahanan mo yung mga pagkakamali mo, di mo rin siya maamin sa sarili mo. At hindi mo rin siya maamin sa ibang tao, hindi ka mag-grow.
Yeah.
Ganun.
At yun nga yung mahirap, lalo kung hindi ka nasanay sa relationship na gano'n. Lalo ako, ako aminin ko, di talaga ako sanay nagsusorry sa jowa ko. Kasi
Mm.
sobrang bait niya. So alam ko lang na
Mm.
magsusorry siya sa akin. Mali pala yun.
But you know, it gives me...
Or okay rin ba yun? Kasi like, pag naging okay kami, like, okay talaga, na parang walang
Right.
nangyari.
But the most interesting part here is that you're having the desire to say sorry.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Or
That means
ganito
that...
yung
So
sasabihin niya sa
meron
akin.
naman, except you just wait
Meron
for
naman,
it.
Wait.
pero lagi niyang sasabihin sa akin na,
Oh.
ginawa mo kanina, mag-sorry ka. Siya yung like, kasi like ginagawa na lang yan joke dahil alam niyang hindi ako
Alam niya
ma-sorry
hindi ka
at ma-pride
magsusorry.
Alam mo
ako.
maganda
Yung
dyan.
ginawa mo kanina, mag-sorry ka
ah.
na, mag-sorry ka. Like, ganun siya.
Yung maganda dyan kasi, there's always something beneath what he's saying. He's probably saying na, show me naman that you love me.
Pahapyaw.
too."
Oo,
Yeah.
hinahapyawan
Next
niya.
time
Yeah.
naman, wag ko
Kaya
nang
ang mga
sabihin.
lalaki, kailangan
True.
magaling din magbasa. What is she really saying? You know?
Hirap talaga maging lalaking
There-
tanga eh. Hindi na-realize ko lang yun. Minsan
Hindi,
talaga.
ang hirap lang talaga maging lalaki
Oo, yun ang
in general.
brain cells natin,
Oo.
hindi kasing sharp eh. But when we get back sa next episode
Yeah.
natin, we still have
Hala, next
Maxine.
episode na agad.
Oh, still have Maxine
Wow.
with us. And we're gonna be talking about relationship traumas naman.
Oh, yeah.
Parang,
Mm.
ang dami gusto malaman, like, why are we attracted to people that hurt us?
Mm.
Let's say, nasaktan ka na, babalikan mo pa yung tao.
Yung mga martir.
Oo,
Di ba?
or parang, why do we want the person we can't have?
Oh,
Stuff like
ganda.
that, diba?
Or, bakit nga ba nasa relationship na yung iba pero naghahanap pa ng iba?
Mhm.
Oo,
Ano talaga yung main issue ng
Correct.
mga yon?
Ah.
Ugali lang ba talaga nila? At ang mga lalaki ba, scientifically, talagang polygamous sila?
Ay, gusto ko malaman yan.
I mean,
Teka,
kasi...
sasagot ka na. Teka, hold.
Next
hold.
episode. At
Next-
syempre, ang tanong din ng mga lechonaries
Of course.
natin for her.
And before we end this episode, meron tayong special guests who will promote a very special run na sana makasali tayo dito.
Ay, sasali ako dyan.
We have with us Papi Jasper Tiongson, who's also a host. Nakakatrabaho ko to.
Palakpakan, Lechonatics!
They're having the Color Fest Carnival Run.
Yes.
No? Very soon. But before that, may tanong ka muna rin. Kay Maxine, go ahead.
Preemptive yata to.
Mamaya na
Okay,
yung run.
sumako.
Medyo mas
Mamaya na yung
priority yung feelings natin. Mamaya na yung run.
Oh. Hindi. Actually, tanong ko yun eh. Parang medyo martir ako eh. Bakit ko ba hinahanap or why am I usually in relationships where parang, alam mo yun, parang medyo may
habol.
konting damage eh. Parang
Wait,
ganun.
you mean
Yung tao,
you look for
parang
people na damaged?
ganun. Oo, parang ganun. Bakit
Kasi
ganun?
nakapaganda
Pero
sila.
Like, so,
okay.
so damage
Parang
ito. Anong
nasasaktan
klaseng...
na
Sorry.
ako
Oh.
dahil
Sorry,
parang
Jazz.
dinadamage na rin ako ng damage.
Sorry,
Pero,
Jazz. When you enter the relationship, alam mo ng damage ng tao.
syempre nung una hindi pa.
Ah,
And then you'll see the red flags.
Correct. Eventually,
yeah.
lalabas
And
yung damage.
keep on waving
Red
keep on
flags.
just seeing the
Oo.
flag
Fact,
being waved, pero nandun ka pa
Laban
rin.
lang.
Bakit
That's a
ba
good question.
ganun?
Pero lagi kong binabalikan dyan is, kailangan alam mo kung ano bang hinahanap mo doon. Kasi ikaw yung makakakuha niyan. So, kunyari, validation. Right? Or kaya pride. Like, hindi ako papayag na nire-reject ako nito. There's a lot of components to that. But usually, if gagawin ko medyo scientific, may mga, di ba childhood, di ba, tahanan. May mga tao kasing sanay yung nervous system nila sa chine-chase yung pagmamahal ng parents. Bakit laging babalik sa parents? Okay, shout out, I don't like blaming parents. However, we really have to mention parents because usually they are the first relationships we have.
Oh, yeah.
True.
So how we learn how to,
Live.
receive affection from them, what love is from them is usually what we look for. Kaya nga sabi ko, minsan hinahanap natin yung love ng parents natin sa mga partners natin.
Right.
I believe that also. Kaya I brought up childhood trauma
Wow.
earlier kasi
Mm.
I'm also trying to figure out, yun nga minsan, if what I'm going through or ba't ganito ako is because of maybe my childhood.
But what's good about your Sam, alam ko you're very close with your mom, diba?
Mm.
Kaya ka rin nakapag-keep kay Esa.
Mhm.
Kasi you know the quality of relationship that you long for.
Yeah.
Correct.
Right.
Right?
Yeah.
Ibig sabihin, ano bang basis mo ng relationship kung hindi yung alam mo?
Oo.
Right.
Right?
And I think also that's the thing with, I realized with processing, diba? When me and Ness always argue about, okay, we have to sit down and talk about what went wrong or ba't ako
Mhm.
galit sa'yo, ba't ano yung maling ginawa mo. Because I realized when I was young, just as an example, whenever papagalitan ako ng parents ko,
Mhm.
sige,
Sinashutdown
grounded
ka.
grounded
Oo.
ka. But there would never be an explanation,
Yun
a
nga.
processing kung bakit ka grounded.
Exactly.
Laging alam mo lang mali ginawa mo, sige grounded ka, but wala nang, okay kasi masama yung ganito, hindi dapat ginagawa to. Wala nang processing. On the contrary, my wife, si Esa,
Mhm.
very processed yung childhood niya.
Mm.
Talagang, pag may ginawang mali,
Pag-uusapan.
may punishment,
Mm-mm.
May repair.
may repair. Kaya ka napapunish kasi ganito yung ginawa mo, ganito yung
Mhm.
nangyari, which I never got.
Mhm.
So for me, parang, I also don't know how to approach
Mhm.
the processing because I don't know how to start something like
Yeah.
that. So sorry to take that away, but yeah,
Yeah.
Jazz, as you were saying,
I mean,
So,
going
yeah.
back to damage,
realizing.
So
looking for
going
the
back
damage.
to that, like I think for you really have to ask yourself about what do I want to get?
Mhm.
And is that something I can only get from her?
Right.
Kasi, again, a relationship, gawa na lang tayo ng basis. Ano bang healthy relationship? A healthy relationship is when you are able to have your own identity and
Mhm.
share that with someone.
Right.
Because if your identity is that someone, without her, you're nothing. And that is not healthy also. So,
Ganda.
kailangan you are aware na ano bang kailangan ko sa kanya and
Mm.
pag wala ba siya, kaya ko. Kasi yun yung first work eh.
Right.
Ang lalim, sorry. But that's
No,
really
I
what it is,
understand.
right?
Oo.
Break na kagad to. Parang hindi
Break
ko
ka muna yan,
kailangan.
mamaya.
Pero hindi, since tungkol sa running yung
Okay,
pag-uusapan mamaya,
Yeah.
and most of the people who are into running, hindi lang para pumayat.
Yeah.
Sometimes they're saying na for mental health.
Yes.
Minsan pagka mas may problema, mas doon nila
You know
gusto
why?
tumakbo.
Mm.
Meron, merong explanation
for
dyan.
that?
Ako, I hate running, but I started
Same.
doing it. And this is what you learn in running. Ang
Yeah.
hirap, diba?
Mhm.
Yung parang, kalaban mo yung sarili mo,
Mhm.
inat ng
Pinakamahirap
puso mo.
sa lahat.
Pero, pansinin mo pag tumatakbo ka, may recover. Oh, so ang nangyayari, yung body mo natututo siya na, ang sakit, pero kaya.
Yes.
So there is that
Oh.
inflicting of physical stress. And then you learn na, I feel better pala. And then I'll do it again.
Or
I
kaya
feel
ko pala
better.
to.
So your brain is rewiring because you're not just experiencing pain, but you're dealing with it.
Galing.
I have a friend,
Ang
no,
galing, yeah.
nagpa 5K ng 3 ng umaga.
Mm.
Medyo malala to. Tapos yung asawa niya, fina-flashlightan na siya kasi baka matalisod. Hindi ko may kilala ako. Off-air ko lang sabihin. Itago na sa pangalan Chacha, no? Ang kaibigan ko. Anyway.
Napaka-supportive, di ba?
Naka-tricycle yung ano.
Hindi pina-practice kasi namin kasi gabi yung run nila.
Ay,
Hindi,
naitrun to?
yung run namin 2 years ago. Pero
Gabi.
ngayon,
Eto,
umaga na.
umaga na. Okay.
May
Pero
araw na
baka
to.
maaga pa to.
Kasi pag nag-start ka ng maaga na
4
run
a.m.?
siya, umaga yan. Baka
Yeah.
madilim pa rin.
Eto
madilim.
na.
Tell us all
pag-usapan
about
natin.
it. Tell us all about it.
Yeah, so we're inviting you. It's a JCI Manila Color Fest Carnival Run 2026.
When is this
So
happening?
this is gonna be on May 31 sa
Mm.
SM
May
Mall
time
of
pa.
Asia Grounds. Ayan.
Sorry,
So,
SM
may time
Mall
pa.
of Asia.
Asia Grounds. Dun sa
Okay.
usually
Tayo nila
sinasarado.
ESA.
Alam mo yun.
Of course, doon naman lagi. I mean, that's where the good runs really happen.
Yun, this
What
one.
categories?
different categories. And this one is a fun run. So, and don't expect that. I mean, you could be competitive for sure. It's all at your own pace, no?
Mm.
But then we have 1K, 3K, 5K, 10K, 21K. But then again, as mentioned, it's a fun run. So you're gonna be there kasi nga carnival, no? So may mga jugglers dito, may man in stilts and whatnot. And then
Tatakbo
tapos
rin yung mga
color
jugglers.
powder.
Ganun.
Tatry
Ganun,
natin tsaka mga
21K.
naka-stilts, no? Medyo may
Oo.
advantage sila doon. Medyo mahaba yung panel. Pero yun nga, tapos may mga color powders, may DJ, kaya may program and
So
whatnot.
napaka-fun nga.
Very fun. And at the same time, what's even more fun is because we're helping out. This is about mental health. So
Oh,
we
okay.
are trying to build, not running away from it, but running towards building from ground up, no, a wellness center for mental health for the
Wow.
Philippine Mental
Wow.
Health
I love it.
Association.
Wow.
Na Doc,
Nice.
baka yan, maganda
Okay.
rin na.
I love
To be a
it.
part of it.
So
of the
this
Yeah,
is
project.
really for a
definitely.
good cause. Ang ganda.
So sama po.
How
I
do
mean,
we register for this?
okay, so you just have to go to www.jcimanilacolorrun.com. All the
Sorry,
details are
JCI
there.
Manila
Colorrun.com.
colorrun.com.
Yun. And then
And how much is the registration fee
I
for
think it's
this?
around 2,000 pesos. We get some discounts here and there as well.
Kasama
depende
na
sa
lahat yan. May
timing.
singlet and everything.
Yes,
Oo.
yes. And hopefully, if you would wanna run into somebody na you like, di ba, kasama na rin
Or
Para
run
sa
away
mga
from,
mag-jowa,
or run away from
away
your
na
problems.
Pwede rin.
Yeah,
Kasi medyo
run
maaga
away
pa.
from, correct.
Uy, oo nga.
Oh, since running yung pinag-uusapan, how healthy is doing a sport or an activity with your partner?
Very
Kasi
good.
ito sakto, sabay na kayo
sakto.
mag-register.
Tama.
Yeah, yeah,
Correct.
totoo yun. Lagi kong sinasabi na ang nagtatagal na relationship, mga healthy relationships, magkaibigan sila.
Uh-huh.
You have to do things together.
That you both like.
And the goal
Oo.
of doing things together is that it equalizes the power dynamic. You have to play together. Because in playing, pareho kayong same yung level, tapos nagkakatawanan, may challenge, you build the foundation. So
Right.
all
like that.
relationships that last are best friends. So,
Meron akong question daw. Kasi merong mga activities talaga na, kunyari, hindi ko talaga type gawin eh. Pero kunyari,
Eh, lalo mga pickleball
Ah,
ba yun?
pickleball.
Pickleball.
Hindi, anong
Okay,
ticket?
okay,
Ano ba
okay.
yun?
Parang maganda yun.
Pickle ba yun?
Pickleball. o kaya,
Pickleball.
Hindi pala padel.
Pickleball.
Padel. Padel pala,
Padel.
padel.
Oo nga.
Oo.
Oo nga.
Padel, hindi padel. Padel siya.
yeah.
Padel.
Do you play
Hindi
padel?
paddle.
Oo, hindi siya padel.
Nako.
Pero yun nga tinatanong niya,
Going back.
what if?
What if talaga hindi kunyari, hindi ka talaga, for example,
Hindi mo gusto
ako
ang pickleball.
gamer. For
Okay.
example, online.
Tama,
Pero
tama.
pinupush ka para makapag-bonding daw.
Oo,
O kaya-
gaming, oh.
Pero parang ganun. Pero deep in the recesses of your heart, hindi mo talaga gustong gawin.
That's good kasi one, you don't have to force yourself, otherwise it creates resentment, but be the one to come up with something. Dapat meron. So kung ayaw mo yun, dapat may suggestion ka na type din yan.
Why don't we try
And
this?
options are endless.
Ang dami.
True.
True.
Oo.
Totally
So it can
agree.
even be, sometimes it can even be, so I remember in my relationship, nagle-Lego lang kami. Lego. Yeah. Like at the end of the day, we build a Lego with no phones on kasi that creates, something that you talk na tumatawa kayo. That's time together.
Yeah.
So kung di mo type yun, I get it. I mean, there are also things I didn't like noon, but it shouldn't just end there.
Right.
Oh, pero dami nang nasa running era ngayon. Kaya once again,
Takbuhan
invite
na
them.
yan.
invite
Ako
them.
kami,
Na,
sasali
ano.
kami.
Oh, sali na.
Saka baka
Gusto nyo
pwede bigyan
makita?
we can give some kits hopefully to
Ay,
some of
pwede,
our
pwede,
Lechonatics.
Of course.
We'll
Sinong
give
gusto
them-
sumama sa May
Taas
31?
kamay.
Taas kamay.
Ay,
Ay,
5K lang,
ay,
di ba?
ay,
Ako,
ay,
sasali ako.
Uy,
Uy,
start
21K
somewhere.
ko.
Mga 5K
21K
lang.
yan.
Para
Yeah.
masala.
Adi, sasama ka dito ah.
Adi,
Sama.
expect ka na
Josh.
Josh. Josh,
Josh,
expect ka
sama.
namin.
Shout out,
Oo.
Jam.
Kasama ka.
Panalo. Sama tayong
Elise.
lahat.
Sabi.
Masaya to. Running is fun.
Yeah.
It's
It
fun.
is fun.
No,
It is
actually,
fun.
it's fun after the 2 kilometer. Right?
Okay, warm up.
Masaya na siya. Basta matapos yun na yung 2 kilometers, masaya na yan.
Let's also
Yeah.
give away some race kits hopefully to our
course,
Lechonatics
of
who wanna
course.
Yes.
run. So we're
Mechanics
gonna
for
see
that.
you there May 31.
May 31.
What time should we be there for the
Well,
gun start?
actually, iba-iba yung gunshot niya. Depende dun sa haba.
Depende sa 21.
Sa 21, I think it will start around
May
mga 4
21
a.m. I
Naku, si
suppose. I'm
Chacha
not
yan.
Kaya nga,
completely sure.
Siguro
But then I
21
think
sinasabi.
it's on the
21.
website.
Ano time?
Gusto
Mas
ko natin 21.
Ano oras yung 21?
Comparison.
Ano, biglang-
21.
Hindi, biglang sa, alam mo kung
Ayaw
saan
niya yung
nag-register?
fine.
Sa 1K.
Oh, yun na.
Oo, yung
One
1K.
na lang. 21, 1K na lang.
Oo,
Naku, I think mas later yun. Siguro
Oo,
mga
yeah,
nasa
yeah.
5-ish,
Depende
6-ish.
kung anong oras yung
Depende kung ano.
sasalihan.
I'm not completely sure kung ano yung mga exact timing, but you could always go to www.jcimanilacolorrun.com for all the details and for you to get registered as well. Share to your friends. Again, Pwede natin tong pamigay later on. Also the tickets, so watch out from
Or
this
bigay tayo
podcast.
ng discount code for our
Discount, pwede. Oo. Bigyan natin. Gagawa
We'll sort it
natin
out.
yan.
Basta follow
Let's
the
make it
Lechon
happen.
Pag-ibig To Instagram page and TikTok page. We'll give you announcements on how you can get your kits as well. Thank you, Jazz, for
Thank you,
being with us.
Jazz. See you
And
on May 31.
thank you for joining us on this episode of Lechon Pag-ibig To. We're going to be having a Maxine still for the next episode as we dive deeper into
Yeah.
relationships, relationship traumas. Why do you like the bad guys? Bakit ka martir? All that stuff sa next episode of Lechon Pag-ibig To. My name is Sam YG.
This is Chacha.
Click like, follow, and subscribe. We're on YouTube. We're on Spotify. Be good. Be safe. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.